Look at how foggy it is. So foggy out. And there's Avery's bus going. We're gonna catch her over here. She's gonna see the fog all over. We'll catch Avery on the property over here. Avery was watching a video. I could have had about 15 birds flying, a group of about 10 in a separate little group. It's so foggy, I don't even know if we're gonna see the bus. Yeah, I don't think so, because we don't see that other house that's usually over there. Jesus, that fog is dense. I heard the buses at the other house, but because of the fog, we don't see it. See, there's fog here too on their property. And down the street. My God, I can't believe how dense that fog is. All the water from last week is gone. Well, the last 2 weeks, it was all that rain we had. There's 2 houses there on the corner. We literally see the back of one, don't even see that. It's how densely fog it is. We're gonna start heading home. We'll listen to the birds. As you hear the rocks under my feet crumble, crumble, crumble. Sorry I'm wobbly, this driveway's a little uneven. Love hearing the birds. When we get a little further down the driveway, I'll stop and record the birds a little more. So foggy, you don't even see the gate down there. Birds are... Oh, there's a squirrel. Good morning, squirrel. Squirrel, show your little self. There you are. Don't see any birdies. Oh, sorry about my finger getting in there. I don't see any birdies, I just hear them. Good morning, dogs. Hello. Hi. That's Gigi's brother. Good morning. This Gigi's brother that Denise was telling me about? He's so big compared to her. Enjoy your day. I'm going to end this video in a moment after listen to the birds sing.